Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I'm going to show you a handbag from a designer house that I have never bought from before, so I'm kind of excited to show you. So I have bought several bags over this past year, past months. It has not been all at one time, but I realized I have not shared it here on my channel, so I really wanted to share it with you guys. And so I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. If you are interested in seeing more of the reveals, of course, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and then at the end I plan to do my entire handbag collection. I have quite a lot of handbags. I am hoping to pare down and only keep the things I love. So probably at some point I will do like sell some of the handbags from my collection that I'm not planning to use. So if you're interested, please stick around. But I'm going to go ahead today and show you this reveal. So it is from Givenchy. I have never bought anything from Givenchy, from this brand. I've always admired it from afar, but I've just never bought anything from it. I mean, I've looked at many bags over the years and just been always interested in it. Out of everything that I have ever looked at, I would say this bag I'm about to reveal to you has always been the one that I keep just gravitating toward too, but just because it's so unique. I honestly don't even know if they make this anymore. I bought this pre-loved. I buy a lot of my handbags pre-loved. I just love searching on the pre-loved market for things that I've always just admired. And of course, you know, like if it's not in production anymore, some of the prices, depending on the style, can just be really, really, you know, affordable compared to before. I mean, it's still expensive because it's, you know, designer bags, but like you can get them for pretty good deals. You do have to be careful, make sure it's, you know, a reliable site you're buying from. I get it authenticated afterwards, but some really good deals. So anyways, Givenchy is a fashion house I've always just been interested in. And then this bag I'm about to show you is one that I've always just admired and thought it was super unique. And now I'm gonna get to show you. So let me go ahead and open it up for you. It's a huge dust bag because it's quite a large bag. So let me see what you think. I think this is one that is not gonna be everybody's cup of tea, but I find it different, unique, interesting. So here we go. There's the color, you can see. And there it is. So one thing, if you watch my previous videos, if you watch my collection, I have, you know, bought my classics, and I think I have like the classic bags. I've gone through the classic bags, but now I'm into things that are different, more interesting, unique, like not everyone's gonna have, and there are a lot of things I have that everybody has, so I don't even care about that, but just like things that I just find interesting. And then this is one that I've always been really interested in. So this is called the Givenchy Pandora bag, and I think named that because this is like to look almost like a box, like a Pandora's box, so you can kind of see how it is. So yeah, like it literally looks like a box. It has this one handle here. It's got a zip pocket here, a zip pocket here, and this one here. This is like not the largest size, and this is a pretty big size. I mean, you can see like how big it is, you know, I'm putting my hand here. So this is like not the absolute largest size, because there's one that's like slightly larger than this, but this is like pretty large size. And then they made one even smaller that didn't have this front pocket. So like this was missing and it was on a smaller size. And then they made like a mini, which the mini didn't have this handle. The mini just had like a crossbody. So I guess there was 4 different, you know, styles, sizes of this. And then this leather is super unique. You can see, like, now I will say when I first saw the style of bag, even back in the day, this leather, I was not sure about it. And, but like over time, I don't know, it's so different. And the texture of it, like, it's hard to describe. I don't own anything like this. I mean, this whole bag is just super unique. And again, it may not be for everybody, and it's not like a bag I would say I wear all the time, but it's actually really useful, and I'll get into that. So I believe this like crinkle leather, and it's supposed to look like this. This crinkle leather, I think it's called Pepe leather. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, please. But I think it's called like Pepe leather or something. But it's like a crinkled leather, and it's, you know, made to look like this. And I love it because it just gives it so much dimension. It's still really soft, but because of how the leather is, and I think how the leather kind of patinas, you get like a really variation of it. I remember once I saw this bag on another YouTuber in a blue color, and it just looked like water and waves and things, and I always thought that was really beautiful. I ended up getting it in this pink, like a raspberry color, because this is like one of my favorite colors. This raspberry pink is just beautiful. So when I saw this coming up, I was like, oh, I love it. And I remember I was between this and there was another Givenchy Pandora that was it had like a flower print all over it. It was like a dark green with like cream flowers, and the flowers were baby's breath flowers. I looked it up, and right when I was about to buy it, it was like I was about to hit purchase and somebody bought the other one, and I was like, no, because I was kind of between the two and I thought I was going to buy the other one, but I'm glad I bought this one because that other one didn't have the crinkle leather, and the other one was like, I guess this one is just a fun color, and I love this color, and it does make me happy to see this color. I love the gold hardware. So the details are, it's got this like rolled handle here, and you can even put this one over your shoulders, which is nice. And then it's got this larger pocket here, and these zipper tabs, and the zipper is like so high quality and like chunky also. And then it opens up like this. Now I've got this stuff, it's like a big air paper, but if you look at it, it's just a light interior. It does come with a crossbody sheets. Is it crossbody? Yeah, no, you can wear it crossbody. Look how big this is. But it straps on right here into these like D-rings right there. And so yeah, this one it can go like over your shoulder, you can go across as well. And I do like it. It makes it almost like a messenger style if you have this on, but honestly, I've been kind of liking to just hold it like shoulder. And this is a huge opening here. It's got a lot of nice compartments. It's got a zip compartment here. It says Givenchy, made in Italy. So the zip compartment, it's got a little slip pocket here, and then a little like, kind of like a cinch elasticated smaller pocket there. Otherwise on the other side, nothing else. And then yeah, a big compartment. I mean, you can put a lot of things in there, just how it is. And it actually looks really cool when it's filled up because, I don't know, it just gives it this really unique shape. Like it kind of goes like this. And then with you holding it like this, I mean, it's just very interesting. And because it's like this Pandora box, I just love the idea of it being like a Pandora's box because it really is, you can fit a lot. Then this more front pocket here, it's a little bit smaller. It doesn't go in as deep. You can see kind of like my hand goes in, but this is nice for like your phone, your keys, something you need really quick access to. You can put in this, and then it even has this smaller pocket. I'll say this one's pretty small. It's almost like more decorative more than anything because it's tiny, but you could put like cards in there, some cash in there, lip gloss, chapstick. It's not big enough for a phone, but like even like keys or something, you could put in there and easily do it. So I love like the different compartments. I love the different options to carry it. I love the color. I love the gold hardware. I love like just interesting leather. You know, sometimes I'm like, do I love it? But no, like then when I have it out, I love it. And the color is just interesting. And these, again, you can find on the pre-loved market if you're interested in it for really good prices. And because it has this, almost like this vintagey aged look, it wears pretty well. I've worn it and I don't see like any corner wear or anything like that on it, just because there is, it's kind of hidden in this. But yeah, I like it. I think it's fun, and I just love the color. And I think if you're gonna do something like this, it's almost fun to get in a color. And although even like if you were to get in a classic black or something, that would be fine. But yeah, this is it. This is the Givenchy Pandora. I know the Givenchy Antigona bag was also popular for such a long time, right? And that was like such a classic one. But I think like anytime, I also considered that, but to me that was like a very classic, like almost like a speedy structured bag, right? But I have like so many speedies, which is that same kind of Boston duffel style bag. I didn't really want that. I don't like things that are so structured personally. I do have some structured bags, but overall I say I like things that are like slouchy, hobo, and just interesting. And I'm at the point where I just love fun colors and things. I'm like, look at this color. Oh my gosh. I think this color is gorgeous. Like such a pretty raspberry color. So nice. So yeah, I love it. what do you guys think? I would love to hear your comments about this bag. What do you think? Have you ever, looked at this bag, considered it? Like, just your thoughts on it would be interesting to hear. Or would even love to know what out of your whole handbag collection that you have, no matter how big or small, what would you say are your most unique bags? Just like very different, not so classic, just unique, whether it's the color, the leather, the style. I mean, I would say this one does it all. Like the style, the leather, the color is pretty unique. But I would love to know what is in your collection that is just unique from that standpoint. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this reveal. If you like what you see, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell as well, and I would love to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.